Yo, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. And, FOMC was today. And it's been a couple days since I posted a video. Bitcoin has been uh, making this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which has been playing out pretty good. So we're going to just jump into the Bitcoin price. But before we do, make sure you hit that like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure you go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris to get $10 free Bitcoin. Okay, guys? So let's jump into the Bitcoin price and see what's going on. Oh, yeah. So before we get into the Bitcoin price, Tron is being sued by the SEC. So I'm shorting this S coin. So we'll hopefully be profitable. Hopefully this can come back down and break lows. So I'll be excited if that happens. But in the meantime, let's check out Bitcoin. All right. So as you can see, Bitcoin dropped from earlier today. We hit a high of, as you can see, 28.8. And then we came right on down because, it doesn't make any sense because Jerome Powell, one guy says that they're raising interest rates, so everybody wants to sell like idiots. So, it's okay. All the idiots sell and all the smart people buy on the dips because we understand long term what's going to happen. So as you can see here, I'm using Market Cipher. Shout out to Crypto Face if you want to use this same indicators. The link will be in the bio. So make sure you get the indicators because it's very profitable and also very in my opinion very useful if you're trading, that is. So as you can see here, this is very simple, guys. As you can see, when we hit this green dot, you can start to see we start to get some upward momentum, guys. Money flow is still green, so that's good. Money flow is still green, so that's good. Looks like we're going to continue to come up here on the money flow, and I think we'll have the bears pretty excited for the next 1 or 2 days, and then we're going to come back stronger than ever and hit that $31,000 level, $31,000 level. That's what we're looking for here, $30,000 Bitcoin, which I think we will hit by next week. We'll see how that goes. But as you can see, that was a 25-minute chart. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly looking like we're starting to curve up. Here, money flow was red a little bit. So let's zoom in a little bit here. All right. Yeah, it looks like we're starting to curve up. But as you can see here, you can even, let's just go out here. Even if you would, like I said, guys, look at the indicators here. So you got the red triangle here. And then you have the red dot down here. So these are indications to sell. And that was at 1 o'clock today. So these indicators let you know to sell. If you're trading, then you could have shorted this. And as you can see here, this moving average is very accurate because as soon as it touched it, it bounced. So this is very great. I also use this to trade options, and I love this indicator, guys. So I would highly recommend that you checking it out. Or if you know how to trade in general, just make sure you're watching the markets and trading accordingly. But, this is a great opportunity to stack, in my opinion. So let's jump to the 4-hour chart. All right, 4-hour chart. Look at this money flow, guys. This big green indication here of money flow. Lots of money coming into the asset. And we are, like I said, coming down a little bit. But now we're starting to, I think we're going to continue to go back up. So we'll see how that goes. We're looking pretty good on the 4-hour chart underneath these ribbons, so that's not too good. But once we come down past these ribbons, we always tend to curve back up. So we'll see how this plays out. Let's see how long we stay under some ribbons for. Looks like when we come down on the ribbons, we're down there for, this could be a sell-off, guys, looking on the 4 hours. But we'll see how this goes, and it wouldn't surprise me if we did come back down and test 25,000, this level here, 25.9. So it wouldn't surprise me if we did get a nice pullback there. Also, we got, right here as well, we got 26.6. Add an alert there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came down to these levels. It would actually be a healthy correction, reset the RSI and reset all the indicators, and then come back up for the next leg up to 30,000, which is, again, the next level that I have an alert set for. So let me set that as well. All right, so let's jump over to the daily chart, guys. Daily chart. All right. Oh, man. Not looking too good on the daily, as you can see here. We got that red dot here. So not looking too good on the daily, unfortunately. And then also the money flow, guys, is, oh my gosh, this is not looking too good. Not looking too good at all. All right, so as you guys can see here, money flow is starting to turn red. Started to turn red here. Hopefully this can turn back up. And yeah, this is not looking too good on the daily. And we got the red dot on the daily, which was yesterday or today at 7 o'clock Eastern. And now we got a new day. So hopefully we can come down a little bit and then come back up. Let me see if I can draw what I think might happen. So maybe we come down a little bit and then come back up. We shall see. And that would, like I said, that would make sense because, again, if we tap that $25,000 level, I think that would be a pretty healthy correction and then continue again to the next move up. So we'll see how that plays out. But, you know, we're going to continue to stack anyway. And with that being said, let's check out the weekly. All right, so we're checking out this weekly chart here. We're looking pretty good on the weekly chart, guys. Look at this money flow is starting to turn up. Looks like we're going to continue to go. And then, as you can see, once we pass this 60 level here, we start to have some really great momentum. So I think we're going to continue to move on up, guys. And money flow, again, is looking like it's coming up because look at this money flow back here, guys. All right, so as you can see, that money flow here, you can see coincides with the price action. So I think we'll be pretty good. And then as you can see here, this indicator here, red dot weekly, red diamond on top, and then big red diamond here, red dot here. So again, these indicators are pretty spot on. So again, we got the green dot here on the weekly. Money flow is moving up. So I think we're still bullish, of course. And we'll see what happens. But, you know, just wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know. Continue to stack, continue to DCA, continue to buy more Bitcoin, continue to live your best life. We only live once. Make sure you are securing the most scarce, the best performing asset on planet Earth that's ever been created. So make sure you stack away, guys. Make sure you go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you follow me on Twitter as well if you don't already. Let me go ahead and share my Twitter account. Make sure you guys go here and follow me on Twitter, guys, and just make sure that you guys are in contact and just keeping in touch. Make sure you follow Max Kaiser. Make sure you follow British Hodl here. Make sure you just follow everyone in the space that's providing value for you guys. So again, I just wanted to make a little update. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking in. Peace.